Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praise be to Allah. Eid al-Fitr is one of the Muslims' festivity followed by the completion of month of Ramadan fasting, the period by which the Muslims Ummah embraces one another in the celebrations and share of love and gifts. At this juncture, the great Lamido Fulbe of Africa and President Mieti Allah Kautal Hora Africa, Alhaji Dr. Abdullahi Bello felicitate with the world Muslims a safe festival. Also Lamido Fulbe of Africa the Great prays for the peaceful coexistence in Africa and a smooth transition from one civilian administration to another in Nigeria. The President Mieti Allah Kautal Hora Africa Alhaji Dr. Abdullahi Bello also felicitate with the Nigerian's President-elect Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Vice President-elect Senator Kashim Shatima.